Hi, I'm Chef Silvio, and I'm gonna be showing how to make spaghetti baked with ricotta. This is an easy way to feed like a large family, most inexpensive, and all you do is cook the spaghetti, put some ricotta cheese in, a little bit of sauce, sprinkle a little Parmigiano cheese, and just pop it in the oven, and it's ready. The big spaghetti use 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of already cooked spaghetti, 1 egg, some Parmigiano cheese, a couple of spoons of Parmigiano cheese, and put like maybe six ounces of tomato sauce in, and a little bit of fresh herbs like a little parsley or basil, you know, whatever you might like it, and just to toss it all together and place it in the casserole and bake it for about 15 minutes at 375 degrees. This is a delicious and inexpensive way to feed all family. It's very quick, and everybody gets a nice meal, and they'll be happy.